have called me a fortune teller because as I'm building things and creating stuff for clients, I come up with ideas that help optimize productivity and reduce overall like time spent training and things like that. So one of the examples that I'm showing on my screen is I've set up to where they have like replays for each and every month. Well, I've also included that, so obviously this is for this year, 2026, and this is going to need to be done next year for 2027. So I've included a folder at the end. This will stay in draft. So these will be published as the months go on, and then this one will always stay in draft. And the reason why is because it's the team member folder. So as you can see inside the team member folder, I have the backend lesson notes. Okay, so if I click on this is the backend lessons notes. This lesson and this folder are intentionally drafted as placeholders. Each course will include a folder like this to guide the individual responsible for maintaining and updating the content. Keep this module in its lesson and its lessons in draft status so they remain hidden from members. Since you're working in the backend, you will have full visibility to all draft content. So this actually is like a little training session to show, like, say for whatever reason, I'm no longer doing this. I hand this off to a team member, whether it's one of my team members in Business Master Suite or one of the client's team members. They will have a lesson that, you know, kind of teaches them about the course, how to update it, what needs to go in there, things like that. So then the next one is the lesson name, month, year, and then the lesson description. Okay. Now they can just copy and paste this, and in here it has the month and year. Okay. So super easy to follow along on that. Okay. Now I'll add another one that says, you know, about the videos and where to upload. And then that's pretty much it. And I'm also going to include this video so they can see it as well. So see, knocking all these birds out with one stone. Ain't that great? And it doesn't take a long time. And I don't need to create an entire SOP or a step-by-step guide. I'm literally doing this video right now so you can see just how easy it is to optimize your processes, train your team without spending a whole lot of time in one-on-one meetings and step-by-step walkthroughs. It is literally right here. They're in here editing anyways. And just for those of you who don't know, if you can actually duplicate this entire course and paste it into the next year, like create a new course, duplicate the whole course, and then just go in and edit the months. I'll be showing those in future videos. Once again, this is Cheyenne with Business Master Suite. I do have an entire demo membership and the course, an entire step-by-step course walkthrough from start to finish, how to set them up, how to brand them, and everything. So I do suggest you guys try to, you know, check that out. I'll put the link in the description here of this video, and thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, and follow today. Business Master Suite will show you the way. One suite, one solution, unlimited growth. Building your business from coast to coast.